It's really good. You like when I make this
I love
dessert?
it. I have an idea for the intro.
We'll have to share the video with my grandma.
Yeah.
Ooh, we could do cheers with the spoon.
No.
I thought that's a good idea.
That's going in the video.
Ooh, we could do cheers with the spoons.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is actually the end of the video, so a little fast forwarding to what the finished product of my fiance's recipe looks like. But just to let you know, number one, the entire recipe and instructions for this are in the description below the video, so make sure you check that out. Also, this is my fiance's very first ever YouTube video, so make sure you show her some love. And finally, we do not put the calories, we do not put the protein, we don't put the carbs, we don't put the fats in this video. It's none of that. It's just a really nice, easy dessert that you can make that we enjoy on a regular basis. And we're not trying to make you overthink it. We just love it, and this is exactly how we have it. So with that said, enjoy the video. Good.
That's sounding great.
What's up, YouTube? Today, my fiance has agreed to show you her world famous healthy apple crisp recipe, which is actually, I think it's her grandma's recipe, right? It's your grandma's?
Family recipe, yeah.
It's a family recipe, so we're gonna do that tonight, but first, she wants me to get her some wine, so I'm gonna get her some wine right now. What wine did you want?
Riesling.
Riesling, gonna get a Riesling. What's it called?
There's a few that we like, but the one that I like there, it's sweet, it's called Good Karma.
Good Karma. All right, gonna go get that. Gets this one, Clean Slate, but I'm not sure. I actually forget the name of it. She just said, so I have to call her real quick. Hey, what's it called?
I think it's called Good Karma. It has like a red label to it.
I see Clean Slate, Steep Slopes.
It's honey.
Okay, one sec.
Oh, right there, with the red top.
This one? Oh, yeah. It
With
says
the
Good
red.
Karma on it. Okay.
I was right. Okay, good.
All right. Thank you. Love you. Good Karma. How are you?
All set?
Yes, sir. Have a good one.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Are you gonna get all the ingredients ready?
Yeah, I'm doing that now. So, let me take this out of here. Hi.
I'm just gonna follow you around for the next 2
Jordan,
hours.
Please. Maybe we should mention that the story behind the recipe.
You want to tell them the story behind the recipe?
Yes. Record.
All right, we're recording. Tell the story.
Okay. So the story behind the apple crisp is this recipe is from the school that my dad went to as a kid. It's called Stadium Drive Grade School. And my dad, I guess, would always come home and tell his mom, my grandma, how much he loved the apple crisp at school. And my grandma is a sweet little Italian lady, and she loves cooking. So she went to the school and asked for the recipe.
So the family recipe is actually the recipe from the school?
From the school.
All right.
That's it. I'd say the size of the apple slice is usually about that.
This size?
Not like super chunky, but more thin. Preheat 375. Start.
All right, so before they get started cooking, what should they do with the oven?
Preheat it to 375.
All right, so the apples are all set. The butter is melted. Now we're going to make the crisp, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now the crisp is done, right?
Yes.
The apples are ready. So what do? We're gonna put the crisp
Ready, and the oven's ready.
on top of the apples.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. In the oven. I need to shower and shave because I haven't shaved in way too long. So, one sec. Woo! That looks good!
Oh, that looks good! That looks good!
I think I missed a few spots actually. All right, let's go see if that apple crisp is ready. Is it ready?
Almost.
How much longer?
Around 10 minutes.
How's the video going so far? Good? Are you nervous to be on camera?
No.
No? You're a natural. Do you want to have some wine while we wait?
You read my mind.
She has wine, I have whiskey.
That's good. Thank you.
It's time? Oh, yes. That looks so good.
I'm starting to start eating.
All right, so we are having dinner. I'm already finished, but we're gonna have the apple crisp right now.
Soon.
Anything you want to add?
You're still recording?
Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, this whole vlogging thing is so weird. Hey, look, we have a ring light right on us during dinner. So it's a little bit awkward for both of us.
Oops.
That's going in the video.
That's like a blooper.
No, that's still going in the video.
Jordan. Okay.
Ready for the apple crisp?
Ready.
Are you scooping it out already? I need to get this on the camera. Everyone wants to see you scooping. Oh my God, that looks so good. This is amazing. I like the clear bowl so everyone can see it. That's amazing.
Is that enough for you?
No, I would like triple that
Okay,
amount.
that will be mine.
More, please. More, please.
Jordan, more.
More, please.
Like this?
More, please. More, please.
Okay, that's enough.
All right, so we have the finished product right here. Before we taste it, I want to make a couple things clear. Number one, we did not calculate the calories in this. We don't know the calories, carbs, fats, protein, none of that. That's just, we're not doing that. This is just something to enjoy. It's a very low calorie, healthy option. And what we do like to do is put Greek yogurt on top of it for some extra protein. Other than that, we're not overthinking it. It's just something that we enjoy several nights a week. It's very easy to make. We hope you like it. If you have any questions, we're putting the entire recipe and instructions in the description below this video. Is there anything else that we want to add?
I think that's it. Enjoy.
I think is there.
Bon appetit.
So with that being said, I'm going to put some Greek yogurt on mine for a little bit extra protein. Do you want some on yours?
I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to have a bite?
Okay. Oh, wait, should I wait for you?
No. Go for it. Do the first bite.
Mmm.
That was convincing.
It's really good. Was it? It is really good.
You want to talk about how it's been being on your first YouTube video?
It's a lot of filming.
It's a lot of filming. It's tough. It's not
It's
easy.
tough.
All right, my first bite. My favorite part is the crisp, just because it's the crunchiest, it's the sweetest. I could just eat the crisp without the apples or without the Greek yogurt for that matter. I would just eat the crisp.
So
Yeah.
good. And it's
That's
just
super good.
warm from just coming out of the oven too.
Yeah, that's delicious. Thank you for being on your first YouTube video.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.
All right,
Thank
that's
you.
it. We're gonna enjoy this. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, right? Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like, click below, comment if you have questions, and we'll talk to you soon.
Have a good one.